Hi everyone, my name is Ying Sun, and I'm currently a postdoc at UC Riverside. I'm also one of your fundraising chairs this year for AWIS, and that's one of my identities, but I have a few others, like I'm a sister, I am a plant lover, I am a first-generation college student, and I'm a mom to two amazing guinea pigs and parakeets. I really enjoy working with AWIS because I believe the strength of our sisterhood and supporting each other as women. I believe that we've won some battles and have done really amazing work together, but there's still a lot to do ahead. And AWIS can provide a safe space for us to encourage each other. And our fight is not really over until all of our voices are heard at the table. And I look forward to working with you all so we can level the playing field for women and people of color as we continue our journeys in STEM.